Tsugiyashi moving forward, all right? And it looks like this. He wants to dominate me, and we are in the action, all right? Only a fool will obey whatever he wants more than 2 steps. What I want you to do is this. You can do it from normal Ayumiyashi movement. So he's the one who's dictating. He's going this way. 1, 2, boom. Left leg back, it's like a handbrake. Stop, little push over there. Counter push. It's in our nature. The moment I stop him and I push a little bit, he pushes a little bit more before he changes. I don't have to explain it. That's the way it is. That's the moment I turn into a throw. Okay? So we are here. What we are going to do, I'm walking backwards, but I'm not pulling him. No, he's the one who's attacking. He's going there. Left leg stop. Little pull over there. Turn into a throw. So again, we are here. He's the one pushing, pushing, pushing. I'm not going to stop him like this. I will step this leg back. Look, the perfect throwing position. Right leg is forward. This leg is blocking. But look, it's not 90 degrees. It's like 45. He's here. A little push forward. He's not going to change it for the fraction of a second. He will try to overcome the obstacle. Little push. Turn around. Any technique will go. So one more time. Bring it backwards. Stop. Little push. Again. Push. There's it. Block. There. Throw. That way. All the way to the back. The same thing. There. Block. Serenagi. The same thing. Block. Koshiguruma. The same thing going backwards. Block. Turn. Any throw. But throw fast. Stop him in his tracks. There is this little, he's an experienced fighter. I'm going to push him, he will go twice. If he goes 3rd time, he shouldn't. He's going to change a direction, alright? But so let's do it on the second one. He's going, pushing me, stop a little bit, this is the moment to turn in. But stop him in his tracks, don't, and then you bundle it completely. No, it's like driving a car, you know? Clutch, first gear, how does it go? Nearer, I forgot. Learn the moves, speed will come later. Technique first, knowledge, then come the practice. Going backwards, stop, block, little push, turn into throw. So let's see nice throws. Alright? Because if you do this, and then you turn in immediately, it's entirely different judo principle of throws. What we do is block, provoke his push towards me a little bit, and throw. Alright? Let's go.
Slow down.
Okay. Block. Yes. Now we talk. Excellent. Count.
Yeah, I think you're right.
That was very nice. That was good.
Yep.
That's it, Leslie. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Good.
Let's go. Can you throw it as a Chimata? Try.
Harai.
Harai Goshi. Get down with that. Keep it straight back. Yes, That's better. Throw for throw.